Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video we're getting very vamped today. We're going from work to work. So we're going to transition our work look, the daytime look, into this nighttime glam look. So if you want to see how I put all of this berry goodness on, then just hang out. Okay, so the first thing I do when I need to kind of like start my face over, if I've been wearing my makeup all day, which is typically the case, it's in no condition to keep going. You sort of have to start over a little bit. The good news is you don't have to start all totally over. So I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and wipe off just the face stuff and the lip stuff. If you watched the Werk makeup tutorial, I'll link it right there, you know that I only really use concealer during the week and a little bit of mineral powder. Actually, it's not always the mineral powder, it just happened to be what I was reaching for. Make sure to get around the nose. I mean, holy red skin, right? This is the Estee Lauder Doublewear Foundation. Stay in place makeup. This stuff is no joke. No joke. I find it a little tricky to apply. I'm just going to show you the way that it works for me. Hopefully it'll work for you too. So what we do first is I'm going to put on a little bit of my It Cosmetics CC Cream Your Skin But Better. I'm going to use this It Cosmetics flat top, what is this, Heavenly Skin brush. And the only reason is because my Clairsonic has not been charged. I know, it's terrible. Gosh, this stuff is so pretty. If this formula doesn't work for you, I'm really sorry because it's so nice. But it's funny how some things work really well for some and are just total disasters for others. I get it. Same. First of all, I put on the layer of CC cream first, then it will lay down nice, and then I just work in very small sections, and I'm only going to put it in the areas where I really need extra coverage, but concealer is not going to last as long. Around here on the chin, around my mouth, and then a little bit here, and definitely on the tip of my nose because that bitch is red all the time. With the same brush, I'm just going to pat. There we go. I find that if I try to apply that Doublewear foundation alone, or even try to layer it on itself, it's a disaster for me. It doesn't work at all. It will start pulling itself off like removing like. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go in with the Hoola Quickie stick. We're gonna do a little line there. I'm gonna go really light here. I think I'm gonna leave this alone up here for now, but I am gonna go down the sides of my nose carefully. Yes, contour. Haha. Then with a brush. Yes, sculpted. Does everybody else yell out random things, talk to themselves? It's totally normal, right? We're bringing in the big dogs, okay? Coty Airspun tonight. And actually, I almost forgot. Holy crap. Before we continue, I'm gonna use some concealer to brighten my under eye area. This is just the Sephora Creamy Concealer. Don't get too close to the under eye area because you might just kind of accentuate your wrinkles if you have them like me. Use a damp beauty sponge. Make sure you're blending out. That's going to really help with your highlight. And then you want to bring this maybe up onto your nostril a little bit and around the corners of your nose. Okay, so we're going to go into the Coty Airspun with that same damp sponge. I have layered this on very thick, okay, for a reason. We are baking. We're baking today, and we're going to put extra powder under the eyes to help catch fallout from the eyeshadow. We're gonna go back into this BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette. It's super nice. The shadows blend so pretty, and I want to do something, you know, quick but fun. Okay, you're not super mega close, but you're close enough. I already have all my transition shades on because all I had on for work today was like, you know, a brown and tan. I'm gonna take this color Aphrodite, and I want to go right into that crease. So you're really kind of packing that color on the outer corner and underneath. You're going to bring that shadow down, maybe a little lower than you think you should. It looks better, promise. Okay, so this kind of is messy right now. Don't worry, we're going to fix it. I have an angled definer brush. Let's go into Pluto and stamp it right in that outer corner, and we're going to blend that out. We're going to take our little eyeshadow packing brush. I'm going to go into this color Milky Way, and I'm going to place this right at the front of the eye. Be careful, don't take it up too high. We're staying like in the inner corner to about the middle, maybe. Don't worry about getting all this eyeshadow on your lashes because we're going to put on fake lashes. Alright, sorry guys, my focus decided to be a brat, but I am stamping Pluto on my lower lash line and placing it in the outer corner to deepen the color. And then with a clean brush, I'm just blowing out all those edges for a nice blended look. Okay, so I have applied lashes and a little bit more bottom mascara. Now it is time to finish sculpting out this face. So I'm going to use the Cheek Parade. I use it every time. I want to get on this hairline, so I'm just warming up the skin. I don't want to look like a vampire. Not today anyway. See what that does? It really brings out the sharpness of the jaw, because I have a very shallow chin. When I turn to the side, it just disappears. Okay, I normally highlight before, but I am going to highlight now. We're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight because I'm obsessed with this right now. So for blush today, I'm going to go into my Morphe N6 blush palette. I'm going to go into this bottom left color. They're not named or numbered. Sorry about it. Yes, berry tones. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild gel lip liner in the color Bear to Comment. And I think I'm going to overline the shit out of my lips. You know, just because I can. What would help this process is if I didn't have a mustache. You can't see it because it's blonde, but it's there. It's there, ruining my makeup. I'm so jealous of these girls with big lips. Am I gonna get filler? Probably not, because I'm cheap. You want all your friends to think that you had lip filler? Overline, girl. Ooh, it is not straight. When you overline, all the overlining really is happening up here, and then I'm joining my regular lip line on the side. It makes it look a lot more natural, and it makes it look less wide and Joker-like. Like when you overline your lips, or you make a mistake, or people make mistakes, is when you overline all the way to the corner of your mouth. Caution! It might not be the look that you want. This is Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the color Patina. Okay, this is the finished look. Okay, let me put on my dress. I'll be right back. So whenever you're transitioning from day to night, it's a little bit easier on yourself because you already have your brows on and you already have a little bit of a base with your eyeshadow and lashes. I hope you like this finished look. Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know with a thumbs up. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel because I put out a new video every Thursday. You can also follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye! By the time I can't talk. Wow. This is a nightmare. Are we even? No, not even a little bit. Look at me. Whoa! Oh, it's dead. I can't use the Clarisonic. Shit. Hello?